Hi friends, welcome to our channel A Techies Talk. So in this video we are going to see what is text editors and IDE. So before going into our video, please do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Yeah, let's begin. So first we shall see what is a text editor. Text editor is just for writing and modifying source code. We have no complexities in text editor. We can directly enter or write any text documents. It is mostly similar to a normal Word document or Notepad. So in the Notepad, whatever we write similar to a text editor, right? Even a notepad is enough for writing or developing our HTML web code. So in that case, a notepad is similar to a normal text editor, and we have some more examples for a text editors like Sublime, Notepad++, and Atom. So these are all a simple text editors where we can use for our web development or writing our HTML, CSS and JS code. So in these text editor does not have any complex functionalities. We cannot compile it, or we cannot debug it using a text editor. It is a simple text editor where we can write a text coding. Now we shall see what is IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. So in this integrated development environment, that is a complete package in which we can use it for text editor. We can compile our code, build our code, or integrate our code, and we shall also debug. A debug is nothing but if we want to find out an intermittent value and the module flow in order to maintain the call stack, so everything will be possible with the debugging. In case of JavaScript running in your program, we need to find out what is the flow of our module and what is the intermittent value of a variable. So in that case we shall go for debugging. So debugging will be possible with the integrated development environment. We shall also do debugging with the help of a developer toolbar, but simplifying our work, we can use the directly IDE, that is integrated development environment. So some of the examples of integrated development environment is MS Visual Studio, Eclipse, NetBeans. So these are all the best IDE where we can go for editing or debugging our code. So this is the major difference of text editors and IDE. That is, text editor is just a tool for editing or modifying or creating our own HTML source code. But in case of IDE, this is also a text editor which we can use it for compiling our code, building our code, or also debugging our code. We can choose a text editor or IDE based on our requirement of the project. For example, if you are going to focus some bigger project based on Java and some backend codings also, so then we will be going for IDE. But if in case your project consists of only the front end related stuffs like JavaScript and HTML, CSS, for those things we shall directly go for text editor. So in this way we can avoid some heavyweight application in your laptop or PC. So IDE, if we consider MS Visual Studio and Eclipse and all, it will be heavier considered to the text editor. In Notepad++ and Sublime will be very lightweight. Hope this video will be useful for all of you. Thank you for watching this. I am signing off right now. Thank you. Bye.